Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Babita and today I'm going to show you a recipe that is a summertime staple. Mango season is here and that means it's lassi time. I'm going to show you how to make mango lassi 3 ways. Mango lassi is a blend of mango with yogurt. This creamy, refreshing, smoothie-like beverage is a must in our home during summer. If you're craving for mango lassi and don't have time to make it to your favorite Indian restaurant, guess what? You can make it yourself. With just few basic ingredients, you can have your very own sweet, yummy and refreshing mango lassi. So I'm going to show you how to make mango lassi with fresh mangoes, mango pulp and frozen mango cubes. First, I'm going to show you how to make mango lassi the traditional way, and that is my favorite way with fresh ripe mangoes. These are the mangoes that we get in New Jersey in our Indian stores. They're pretty good and I believe they are from Mexico. I have already cut up some fresh mangoes, so I'm going to pour those into this blender. And this is a pretty easy recipe. Next, I'm going to add yogurt, some sugar, and a pinch of cardamom. And now I'm going to blend it into a puree. And here is the mango lassi. Nice, creamy and thick. You can add some ice cubes if you want while blending. Let me see if I can get 2 servings of this. So looks like I'm able to get 2 servings out of this. So here it is. The next way that I make mango lassi is with these frozen mango chunks. I like to make them during off season whenever my daughter asks for mango lassi. These are so convenient. Just need to thaw them for an hour or so outside the fridge and use it when you want to make lassi. So let me show you how to do that. The process to make mango lassi with frozen mango chunks is the same. Just pour these mango chunks into the blender. Next, I'm going to add yogurt, a pinch or 2 of cardamom powder. That's as per your taste. And to this one, I'm going to add a little bit more sugar because these chunks, they are tart. So I'm going to add more sugar to this. And I'm going to add a couple of pieces of ice cubes. And now I'm going to blend them. So here is a mango lassi with the frozen mango chunks, and I'm going to pour it into this glass. And you can see this is thinner consistency because I added some more ice cubes. You can make it thicker or thinner as per your taste. But you see how easy it is to make, and it's perfect when you crave mango lassi, during off season. So the third way that I make mango lassi is with this mango pulp, and these mango pulps, these cans are available in the Indian store. I don't care about the brand. I buy whatever is on sale, but they are so convenient because during off season, again, if my daughter wants mango lassi, I make it for her with these canned mango puree or pulp. So I'm going to add this mango pulp into this bowl over here. Next, I'm going to add yogurt. I'm going to add some sugar. This is already sweet, so you can add sugar as per your taste. I'm going to add a little bit more. And then a pinch of cardamom. Actually, I'll add 2. And now this one I sometimes do it in the blender, or sometimes I use this hand mixer. I like using the hand mixer because it is more convenient. So I'm just going to mix it with this hand blender. This hand blender makes it kind of whips some air into it also. and makes it light and creamy, so I like that. And that's it, it's ready. It just took barely a few seconds. So here it is, mango lassi with mango pulp. I'm going to pour it into these glasses here. You can see how nice and creamy it is. And I got 2 servings, so that's good. So here it is, mango lassi 3 ways, and my daughter, she decided to help me. She's going to taste and she's going to say which one she likes the best. She doesn't know which one is which. So which one you want to start with? All right. Okay. Next. So which is better? Which one you liked?
This one.
Why?
Because it was sweet.
Yes, I added more sugar in this, and these two don't have that much sugar, so naturally she would like this one better. I realize that. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for mango lassi 3 ways. I had fun making them, and the exact ingredients, all the measurement is up on my blog, and I have posted the link below in the description, so make sure you check it out. And do let me know in the comments how you liked it, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, goodbye.